Hey viewers, this is group 19. So now we got the Santa Fe 4301, another CN 9162, a red tram car. Can't really read what's on it. We have the 6201 Princess Elizabeth, and we have the little engine that I was not able to get running, but now I have because I had this, and I was able to wire it up on that. So now this one is known as a Canadian National. Right, we have the Santa Fe 4301. This is one of the cheaper ones. It doesn't run very well. I had to add weights to it and clean it all up, and it's missing a few pieces, like the side things for the wheels there, but it still runs, and that's the main thing. Here's a CN 9162. Yeah, another one. I believe this one is all-wheel drive. Front and rear are powered. And here's the red trolley car. Very quiet. You can't really hear the motor sounds at all. And here's the Canadian National steam engine. It's in pretty bad shape, and the fact that it runs at all is a miracle. It was in really bad shape when I got it. And here's the Princess Elizabeth 6201. And remember, the motor for these is actually in here, not in here. So it pushes rather than pulls it. First up, we got the Santa Fe 4301. It's 16.26. We got the 9162 CN. $16.90. And we got the red tram. 15.32. That's the best one for this group yet. And this will be the Canadian National. It isn't very fast, I'll give it that much. This will probably be the slowest one of this group. .35. Yeah, that's quite slow. And this is the Princess Elizabeth. And it's quick. Ooh, 10.61. Wow. That's really good. Well, that'll do it for this group. Group 19. Up next will be Group 20. Thanks for watching.